So thank you so much. Today is the biggest episode, man. It's an episode that I've been looking forward to do it. And I love this kind of episode because we say one story at the time and one testimony at the time. I'm with the big bro. Please, bro, welcome to the show.
Thank you, my brother. Mnandi mfethu.
No, ngiyajabula ukuthi ngihlale nawe namhlanje. Because to me you're such a legend and I really respect your work. But today I just want us to talk about who's the man, and I also want us to go to the spiritual world a little bit and talk about it, because I see you have an idea or you have a clue of what is going on to a spiritual world. So I just want to know the man spiritually and the man physically.
Oh yeah. Physically, I'm a very flexible person. I grew up participating in all activities and all sports. Multi-talented, super naturally fit.
Wow.
But you know, life, the more we grow, we came across circumstances that we never thought about. That's me.
Yeah.
I'm a dancer, choreographer, poet, singer, director, writer, producer, entrepreneur, educator, motivational speaker, life coach. Yeah, and then in the spiritual world, I'm a believer.
Okay.
I believe in God.
Let's go back a little bit. Like you're growing up at home, I just want to know the background. Your mama was present or father was present?
I was raised by women.
Wow.
The grandmother, my biological mother, auntie, Nabo Mamngani. I had a step grandfather who was a breadwinner in the family.
Wow.
Unfortunately, my father was not present, not because he ran away. He got sick.
Oh, okay.
Mentally.
Wow.
When I was born. So, yeah, I was raised by women, domestic workers.
So
I'm from a very, very, very humble beginning family.
Yeah. So if you say your father was sick mentally, so at some days you would pass by him. Do you knew him or you never met?
I met him when I was 14.
Yeah.
When I was 14, I demanded to know my father. Whether, under which circumstances, I just wanted to know
you were ready.
Who brought me in this world.
Yeah.
Then I met him. He was released from the hospital, mental hospital. Then that was the first time I see him. But we had a good relationship, me and him.
Wow.
Yeah, we had a good relationship. I respected him like any child who have to respect the parents.
How is your relationship with your stepdad then?
I never had a good relationship with the stepdad. I had a good relationship with the step-grandfather.
That's crazy.
Yeah, my grandfather bekangithanda kakhulu. I was the favorite. Though akusumuntu beka rich or wealthy, no. He was a survivor. He was a survivor, can say. But usikhulisile. Especially mina ngithi yimi umntwana omfana omkhulu endlini bese I have a brother olandela mina. So I was raised to be the next father of the family. Yeah. Azange bangitefisa mina ngithi. Bangikhulisa ukuthi ngazi ukuthi I'm gonna be their grandfather, the father and the child at the same time. I took responsibility at the age of 11. At the age of 11 I was independent.
Sure.
I need to provide. Mangiphume esikolweni, I was a street vendor mina ngiyothengisa ama-peanuts nama-apple emabhasini to make money so that I can create a better life for my family.
Sure. No, man, I get that. I'm sorry for that. But growing up, what kind of a child were you?
I was talented. Ngumntwana ohloniphayo.
Yeah.
And then I was challenged in life in terms of, remember, I'm a product of apartheid. By so saying, I mean I was forced, I was provoked to be the victim of the circumstance.
Wow.
Then I committed crime at the age of 12.
Wow.
Not to say I'm a born thug, no. My crime was politically motivated. Masikhula sibuza abogogo bethu ukuthi kanti why nihlupheka abelungu baphila kahle.
Yeah.
Abogogo bathi no, abelungu bathathile. Basithathele iwealth yethu. So masikhula singabantwana abafana, we need to repossess our forefathers' cows. So ngikhule ngaleyo philosophy mina. And you can remember uma ungana baba, you're looking for a father figure. Father figures that were available in the society. Those who care about our well-being. It's gangsters.
All the gangsters have a good heart, why?
Yeah, gangsters, I think it's because maybe but we are their reflection. So intwana mayibhayiziseka
They see themselves.
ukuthi sakuthi nami ngakhula so. And ngiyazi idestiny yale ntwana njengoba izokhula so ukuthi izoenda ngakho.
Sure.
So, but the good side of me, I was a church goer.
Serious?
Yeah. I'm a Christian. I was a church goer. Ngoba mangizothi ngiyi-Christian igama elikhulu lelo. Kumele ngili-explain ukuthi what is a Christian. I grew up in church. Even the talent of acting ngilithole esontweni.
Wow.
Esontweni bengenza ama-play. Stories about Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
About Moses. Yithi besidlala lezo zinto lezo. Singing, campus dance. Ngititsha nabantwana ababelungu ecampus. Bengabe isonto labelungu. Ruval Baptist Church.
Yeah.
Lise Louis Potter.
Yeah.
Because amabhasi every Sunday azosilanda like asi. Sambe sisontweni. Silithande labelungu ngoba labelungu kuyadliwa futhi kunamatiye namasweet siyana sema-campaign. Unlike the local church. The local church ngithole ukuthi I get exhausted. Akunama activities asidli.
You just pray and go.
Siya prayer why masithi silambile bathi uzodla umoya kaNkulunkulu. So I'm a child by then. I need to eat. I need to survive. Yeah, mara ngikhule streetwise mina. Very streetwise.
Also a church goer.
At the same time, yeah. Ngiyahamba ngiyoganga sasa ngesontweni. Ngiyotshela uNkulunkulu ukuthi ayenze ukuthi lento engiyoyenza iyenzeke.
But you believe God will help you if you ask this kind of thing, crime and
I don't know, my brother, but some of my prayers
were answered.
Sure. Some of my prayers were answered. I don't say uNkulunkulu approve igebengu. Angifuni abantu bayithole.
Yeah, true.
But I used to pray mina ngithi no namhlanje I wish ngithola imoto ingimele ngingasogoli ngiloke ngiyivula baze kukhala ngiyithole vele izidumela nje imele mina ngiyithole ngize nayo.
What is your first big crime like?
House breaking.
Yeah. Can you just paint the day and how it started?
It was the 28th of December 1990 or 1990. I was 14.
Wow.
So we grew up under mafias. So my boss nomngani wakhe bebaphuma ku-house breaking bashaye a very good score. So sithi siyabagugisa thina siyabancengisa njengabafana babo basicosha bathi no kumele siyoganga plus amagazethi asase fresh amadolo wethu asaqinile so sengakwazi ukujumpa ama-precast bakhiya amagate and it's December ne good. This is what we did. Ngadraw phansi ne on the ground thatha induku ngathi bafethu na indlu mlungu senzani masifika la I know press intercom we are checking coast masithi coast clear we are jump usabuya nalo landelayo so ki sign laba bayabona ukuthi is coast clear then sangena sonke because mina bengislender yimi ngizongena futhi ngewindow le toilet bese ngiyabavulela iwindow le toilet isithatha iskipper yabona iskipper sifaka amanzi ufaka istina thola msindo iphisi phohlo bathi iphisi phohlo shaya iphisi phohlo shaya khala ayiwana ngeke uze nase next door but angibuka iDecember belunga bekho we realized bahambile ama holidays ngiyabona nama dust kuma Fester Bank
this is the shekhwayo
kuto iDecember phela singene silishaya idladla sipaka idulasi sigcoka ama coats bengishine double breast leather shine casual shoe ama casual angakangeni bangakawazi then jewelry siphethe nama Kruger Rand bawucela ibhodlela le mayonnaise so Kruger Rand yazi Kruger Rand ukuthi one imali Kruger Rand siphethe 2 yama bag 2 each traveling bags wala ngala welele la
and u4
C4 2 each upepe ne school bag sifaka idulasi manje ubudomi bethu ke siphuma njalo nje so sahamba streamline iboss yethu isinika ama number ukuthi ngiyifonele mase sichayisile the same guy who rejected us who was grooming us lama number bengwabhale eboxini lo matches le box ngiluzile ngazi ngililuze kanjani bokumele thina siyishiye idulasi sifone aze ngetracker silayise sishaya house to let sishaya removal masiphuma there was a guy olungisa ama phone on the same street weKhalati ngiphenike ngibona ukuthi this guy uzobiza amaphoyisa ngiyekuye ngimnike icoin bengiphethe ibhodlela le mayonnaise eligcwele ama 1 rand a phone yabona singakabambi first corner ngizwe kuduma ivene lapha ngata sekunjalo nasi lesikhathi sesifikile good mina nomngani wami umunye ngithi azina silahlele lama bag la phansi sivale ngawo istrata ngeke bawanyathele bazofika ababhrike bese sithola ichance yokubaleka siyabaleka and then abanye abangani bami abayithule were fat so they couldn't run abantu babamba ibona bamdonse ngeschool bag buya la thina besidlala ibhola thina senza nekhumvu so ifiziki yethu bese strong kakhulu esibaleke plan sijumpa amabona precast ay basilahlise lamaphoyisa singene mangena ngapha kule jarity umngani wami ungene ngapha bayidumise kude 11 bayenza ngathi bahambile obvious asihlali lapha kumele siphume phela umuzi womunye umlungu lo ayesiphume sithole kugcwele amagele ngaphandle namaboys so bathi abantwana abancane so yeni nanisaba amaphoyisa abantu abamnyama ayisizothini sisiku action ayingilizwe leveni ngathi selidume eduze manje ngithi enaba labantu bayeza bathi ingena ngapha number 20 kusho abanye abomama ingene la number 20 umngane wami agibele phezulu kwesihlahla umngane wami uphuza straight ayi1 seGordons phakathi kwendlumluko thina besiphuza ama-appetizer sizenza ama-timing uyo survivile ke lo phuza iGordons babafika lamaphoyisa nguse ungene number 20 yabona ukuphuma lapha kuleyo number 20 yakhona jump ibona futhi ngangena kwenye ijaredi kunentwana engibonile from double story eBhunu so ngisifihle kulenye ibloom ekhoneni so kome kusatshele vese ke Tomgesini daso engaphuma sengiya actor manje ngithini what's wrong kwenzakalani bathi what's wrong kwenzakalani ngazosihlanyisa ngithi hayi ngibona ngigijimisa abantu abamnyama ngiyazi yanisifuni vele mina ngazi next sengiyajika khona lapho ngithukile ukuthi ngimncane ngithi bazothini angifuni bayazi into ezifana lezi ezayidleni ukuthi sengenza so I'm very embarrassed manje I'm finding a way to survive it and I nearly survive bangibelieve le story ngesikhulumayo ngithi mina ngihamba ngiyi-1 mina ngiphuma ngale Pick n Pay ngiyophushela belungu amatroli manje naku ngidlule estradini esirong ngesikhathi esirong naku sengiyagijimiswa mina ngazi next but hayi sizabuza abangani bakho mabathi abakwazi siyakuyeka ngithole i-chance yokubatshela gents asazana angifuni ukuxabana aye wena ngikwazi nawe ngazi bafika amabhoni bathi amazi lo muntu but asimazi wamshaya ngempama ngibiza nangamagama sesikolweni bathi ngena sesiboshwe njalo ke Norwood police station icala lesigwebe guilty man ngikhuluma iqiniso ngoba besiplantana yazi masasebenza bancane court bani cross question and banenza confusing sijikelele ngathi hayi ngaphakamisa isandla mina athi inkosi enkantolo yonke lento bese ikhuluma ayikho yazi kwenzakaleni sivukile vele ngelanga liso sahamba sangena endlini yomlungu abangani bami vele thina siyajonsha ayikho into sizoyenza singabantwana abantu abamnyama asisebenzi asifundanga emakithi kuyahlosheka basigweba mara mina bangigweba amalati angithi being under age basigweba ama-strokes
okay
bawushaya la I choose number 1 bamshaya 3 years because he was over 16 thina basishaya lapha eWestgate lapha sabuya that was the biggest crime the first one.
I know which it will take such a long time, the interview will be long, but let's go to the one that you, because I want to know the life that you, in prison, what kind of the life that you did.
In prison?
Yeah, in prison. So I want that to start from the crime that you did that.
In prison, okay, I'm thinking, after the crime, there's no escobera. So pay revenge for so we need to pay the revenge much. Okay, we continued, we graduated until I was arrested 1994 when Mandela became the president. I was in prison.
Sure.
Bengse Sun City. Good. What's happening there in prison? First day when you enter prison is very dark. It's very scary. Kupaliwe emabondweni kunegazi. Iyathusa, ijele liyathusa. Angikhulumi nge-police station, ngikhuluma nge-prison. Angithi police station ni 3 ni 4 nyana. Mase ngigibele itraka ne-Sun City. Babaqeda ukunishanga ama-reminder, babaqeda ukunigweba. Now you're going to the trial section prison. Kubanjwe inkunzi lapha etrakeni. Khona abantu abazonibamba inkunzi.
Sure.
Clever Barry Mali Washipandi phansi. Baphethe amajangeli. Yabona le yayishaya ngecampus. All Star tekinyana leli lathathwa. Lebruku nyana lakho liyathathwa leli. Shanye lenye ibruku elibhekele. Mara mina ke I for one ngaphakama Uma unywana uhlali lapha na yabona itraga le i4 room sibiza i4 room.
Yeah.
Awuhlali lapha esitulweni mawunywana kumele uhlale lapha phansi bazokubamba inkunzi kahle bayenze noma yini abayifunayo. So mina ngahlala ngibazwile bathi wonke umuntu phansi mina ngahlala lapha. Ngasayina ukufa ukuthi no mangifa ngife kuzobe kungasimi ngiyi1 bakhona abantu abafele ejele. It's life. Kanti bazogwaja mangiriyetha kanjalo nabo abantu baya actor phela. Angithola.
Yeah.
So ngaphakama etrakeni. Why ngiphakama? I'm a light skin, number 1.
Wow.
And I'm handsome, I know. And it's abang sasiyintwana ke.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, so ngikhule ngine fear. Ngiyazazi ngi victim. So mawukhula njengami so uzoba notorious.
You have to prove it.
You need to prove a point all the time. So akuna mama no baba lapha akuna bhuti plus angikhule nginganabo bhuti ke mina nginganabo malume. So I've learned to fight sabekwa nje from ngisaseyintwana mangishayiwe mele ngibuyele ngithi bebangibuyisela ngiyoshawa futhi till ngize ngimshaye lo muntu. So ngaphakama. Yeah, that's what's happening. Mansuka lapho ema-hofsele nisayobanjwa inkunzi niyokhonkotha njengezinja niculiswa iyabo Michael Jackson. Mawiki vele bayokusodomizer. And we were told by the warder on the queue. Ngeke ngishika malakhe. Mara uye wasigaya imandate ukuthi manje kuzoyenzakala kanje nakanje ngathi lazi yabuya mos kanti sibuphi la mina I thought as ayiphoyisa uye lo uzosiprotect. It's another world lapho mfana ngithi bamthengile naye uyahola ngawe abantu baba inkunzi nonke ni50 cell yonke nje zonke toilet kushempama heavy. Umalume uyamemeza lapha nathi sorry bhuti asho emfaneni omncane so yeah, that's the lifestyle. And then from lapho ke kuyatrialwa ke and then thina we started a church in Sun City, cell 12 B section. Buka isikhathi sami ke savula isonto ke lapho a trial sal decorate ngama tissue senza ngathi kusezulwini so lapho umuntu akathathelwa imali yakho mawuphuma evisit khona bathatha imali evisit abantu bakho bakufakela imali lapha nama sunlight na yonke lento ziyathathwa lezinto nabogwayo yonke lento le khona abantu ababamba inkunzi lapha amakhalati abohlaba basejele. So then we decided to form a church.
Why you didn't take Inombolo? Sorry to disturb you. Why you didn't take Inombolo?
Because la ngikhulela khona Alexandra mawune Inombolo uyibhari.
Oh,
yes. Ukwajile le ngaphakathi. It's another way, ne? Abanye bayazi ngenye indlela.
Yeah, I know ukuthi iclever mawuyazi.
Mamela, iclever yilabo bangabhalwanga. Ijele libuswa yilabo bangabhalwanga.
Oh.
Bakhona aboclever babhaliwe. Tisi balance. Bakhona aboclever babhaliwe. They felt a victim at some stage.
Okay.
So iva likhishwa ngelinye iva.
So for them to survive, they have to take it. They had to take it.
Yes. Abanye bayithathile to manipulate others. Abanye bayithathe bagwajile. And iyandluliswa lento generationally. If I told me ngibhaliwe mangifika eDanyani ngabhayizisiwa nami mele ngiyindlulise le nombolo ngibhayizisa abanye. Isebenza kanjalo. So mina in prison I was a freedom fighter. Ngashaya hunger strike 1994 eSun City. Kwafika memorandum eseleni bathi singalukudla sizovotela uNelson Mandela. I was the leader of the struggle.
I think that's a very important information.
Yeah, then I was a leader. And then I was fighting for the weak ones in prison. During our presence, mabagwajisa wena ubulwela yithi. Bese task team. Sibade siyajima sishama push ups tough. Basibhesuka siyadla. But githi there was a time la ngalahleka bangithola after 6 months githi. Ngingatholakala ukuthi ngikuphi ngiboshiwe. Isansithi ngihambe kakhulu man ngene ngaphuma ngangena ngihambe yaze yangidina.
Boshelwe isikhathi iminyaka emingaki?
I was sentenced to 8 years imprisonment. Ngaserva 4. Mara le scenario ngokunika yona se trial le ama hunger strike. This is what happened on the hunger strike. Sijuthene majans asidli akudliwa nanokudla kwasetshele kungcolile. From now on asafuna ukuvalelwa rough mele sivalele ngesikhathi esisource change ama rules manje. Originally mawuphaka ukudla lo muntu okunika ukudla bongamboni kuvela iplate so man kuze azokushaya ngesikepera kunika ukudla okuncane ungakwazi ukumphakamela kahle yimi engivule le door ukuthi from now on umuntu okunika ukudla mele umbone savumelana ukuthi asidli sharp first meal shy slogan 10 right pass left ikhishi lika left slogan sithi namhlanje asidli hayi asidli hayi pass left and right dlala wena yabona mawufuna ukushawa amabhunu ngalukudla uthi awusadli wena ube uNelson Mandela ube Steve Biko ube Malcolm X but amensele yetni all right gaan terug by dieself yabona second meal yabona wangadli second meal wazi ukuthi uyija yabona second meal bake bafika bafika kufika la mabhuno oqala ukwabona la ayikusilawo babonile mawufika abahlala ebarracks baphetha ama magnetic shields amba nezinja baphetha ama loaf baphetha amazimba chips ingathi yaNkulunkulu wami why ngingabi kule side la laba abadlayo why I'm always on the wrong side of life because I'm a hero. It has to be a hero, it's a problem. Yeah, don't be a hero. Mabhunu bafika bathi zonke ngaphandle. But asi die wat hulle gaan eet, jy vat jou brood en seker jy gaan terug by die sel. En die wat hulle sê hulle eet nie. Digat. But the first two, jy eet of jy eet nie. Hayi ons eet mee bas. Hayi badlile bonke sivumelene ukuthi asidla hayi masise bakhona amakhaya wenza so ons eat me bas ons eat kufaka nobasi ngaphakathi angithi kuya squat edanyani masifola babazosicount mina angisquat angithi singama leader thina singama boss ama boss awa squat siyama so mina bafike bangishaya zange bangibuza bashaya impama nenye Grootman bathi ubright party uyo ngijuthile kahle good bengenzani angazi kuyapi lo yamoya lo ebangishaya plan bangikhumulise kalkhat bangidonse phansi ngiphume esectionini ngihamba phansi bangisa ekulukuthu isolation cell bangise lapho ngifike ngihlanya vele ngifike sengiwese oda vela sidli sivotela uMandela bancenga icaptain lapha le Grootman engijutile izekucala mina ngingakahle uyo umemezile intwana evetes arisha intwana yebani uretreatile bangitshela ukuthi no yazini lento enenza ukuthi ningadli sizwile okay nikuyavotiwa vele ngadla nami mara savotile ANC savotile uMandela Nelson Mandela. Wow, that's my story in trial. And then in church we had a prophet from Nigeria, Stanley Uba. He was arrested for cocaine. He was a prophet. Beshaingo Martina Sithandwa masewushipa ngabuya mina mangibuya for another crime besi4 omunye athola 7 years suspended omunye washona ngihamba naye sihamba le case omunye bamxosha eboxini bathi wena hamba ekhaya asifuni ukusiphinde sikubone la mara bambambe phakathi kwemoto in a scene of crime mina bangibambe ngibalekile 7 meters away from the scene of crime but we were guilty no problem second case benginomuntu wami my best friend bangigweba futhi ngiyi1 yena bamnika 5 years suspended ngaswinga ngiyi1 bengifaka ama-short step mawufaka ama-short step bakubiza ukuthi uyi-springbok mawuhamba icala unecala yeah good enough yadlula i-trauma ye-trial then 1997 between 1997 and 1999 I formed a campus dance group
inside
at Motabie prison bengidlala ibhola kuqala mara ibhola kwathola ukuthi bangidlela umona and I need to assign to the system of gangsterism because ngithola i-position all the time ngangayenzi lento leyo bangisabotage ngaliyekela ibhola i-coacha yethu he was a coacha player and I'm from Alexandra and elajele lase-Israel so bebangivalela ngaphandle intweni ezibhala ngadlala ibhuti makumele ngiyoperforma ngazobizwa ile cala leli ligweba lokuyisithuka i-federal charge ngadlala ibholo futhi nga-experience the same problem ngayeka ibholo I wrote a script ngabhala i-script ngafoma a theatre organization.
Do you still remember your first script?
Yes, I still even have it here in my library.
Can you just do the first one? What was it about?
It was an anti-crime play. Aigabi Makenge, Triple T, Timothy Matwala Matubula. Bengidlala Triple T, staying. Triple T, bekahamba nge-IS. The story is about how we grow up, what makes us to get involved in crime, how do we get arrested, what's happening in prison, what are we saying now? But overall, in brackets, crime doesn't pay. Then my play became a hit. Instant hit. Instant hit. I was acknowledged by correctional services. I was acknowledged by the head of prison, Mr. Mohali. I worked with the theatre guru, Mr. Bongani Linda, the late. I worked with Mishak Mavuso from Izo. I worked with Skaleni Zakele, Stanley Mabaso Mukuni. Worked with Usbaya, Sebezeno Suffocate, Agoridem City, Sebezeno Zebe. Victory Songoba Theatre Company came to prison. And then they spotted my talent. And then they perfected the talent. I performed 4 times in prison. Besileta abantwana from the high schools, the most problematic students. Ngithileta laba bastota abafuna ukufana nabo ma-orange. Ngibathisha ngitshele ukuthi crime doesn't pay, this is what is happening in prison. Ngaphuma kuwo wonke amaphepha, national broadcast.
While you were inside?
Yes, while I was inside. I was famous in Sasejele. I remember I was visited by a lady from Sweden, a white woman, Ongone Pepe. And then he was interested in the story, but I want to meet this prisoner. I'm touching a tour, I'm selling, I'm selling. I had an access to meet the head of prison with or without escort. I had some event in prison. I was supposed to fly to Holland, not only boots. And then correctional services young denied that opportunity. But I got in history, whereby isiboshwa siyaflya no madela zanga flyer no bangangenzela yonke into mara hayi leyo. Good iponza zambo ki Royal Netherlands Embassy, ama Dutch aze ngobongani Linda from Victory Songoba. I had an office in prison. I interview about talented. I was a food handler. I corresponded in a Bible way. I did course 1 up to course 4 ngifunda ngoNkulunkulu ngenza into eziningi man. Life skill course. I remember my sister came with a paper from Citizen but uphume ephepheni uwelo ngithi hayi sisihambe kangi-encourage ukuthi ngiye esikolweni ngenze i-matric ngathi hayi i-matric ngeke ngenze le next baningi abaneetificates ze-matric mara abasebenzi ngaphandle. Wait for me, I'm gonna do something that will make me never come back in prison.
Sure.
I don't want this place anymore in my life. I will come here by visiting, being a helper, ngizobona amajita ukuthi asele kanjani, ngihamba nama-minister to come and check. And then it happens exactly. I was once in Sun City, ngihamba ne-deputy president e-correctional services. Sihamba ngey'moto ezimnyama ezishaya ama-siren. Ngithola amaphoyisa laba bangiphakele, bangishayela i-guard of honor. Yabona i-turning point empilo.
Sure.
Yeah, my group was very successful. We had ama-tracksuit, bengine-grocer ye-18,000, ama-Kellogg's, wheat bix, ama-jam, peanut butter. Ngenza history while I was in prison. So then I was released 1999. Then I got a part with Yizo Yizo.
How did you, from prison to Yizo Yizo? How?
I prophesied it. I attracted the magic. I'm a believer.
Yeah.
So I was watching a television, sisekishini. Angithi khona i-TV ejele. I rotate ihamba ama section. So bese section inethe si-section. Sihleli laphana ngiyabona boRoni nabo action. Nabo gunmen nabo Thembisi ede laphana ngathi no kulandela mina the next Yizo Yizo star mangiphuma la.
Yeah man.
But lo daku ejele.
Yeah.
No, I could feel it. No, angithi into mawuyenza uba ne vision. You visualize it, you imagine it, you become it. So I was released 25 October, 9 o'clock. 12 o'clock I was at the rehearsal. I was employed. The following day, Basabo Angus Gibson looking for a talent because he lead by Tole in my company. So they came. Then I was spotted there. Then my road was created. It was not part of the script, but it was created when they meet me. Then I became a Yizo Yizo star. I have a long story to tell. We don't have time.
Yeah.
We don't have time to fast forward. I was on Yizo Yizo, it's good. But I had challenges. Bebangafuni ngifike na kuYizo Yizo. People that I was working la bengisebenza khona.
Yeah.
My boss bekangafuni ukuthi ngiye kuYizo Yizo.
Why?
I don't know. Bekangisabotage. He had what I call jealous and hate and like at the same time.
Wow. All together.
Yeah, bekangithanda,
Angzonda.
angizonda, talent lam likhulu yabo. Honestly speaking, hayi ukuthi ngikhuluma kabi kanjani ngoba akasekho emhlabeni. No. My interview is the same. Ngibuzwa into eyi-one. If you ask me about how I grew up ngene kanjani industry, and that's the story. Angus Gibson came, bes performer Windy Bro Theatre. Siqhubeka ngale movement yokuletha abantwana. And then he was denied an opportunity. Kuti angibone. He came at the company. At first, but also choncha ama idea. Number 2, performer. If masesinikwa ama result who's going to the screen, mina my name was not counted. Ngathi kanjani ngoba yimi steering ngidlala 2 hours yonke gijima mina ama character wonke andlula kimi. Why mina bangangiboni babone laba abanye?
Yeah, it doesn't make sense.
It doesn't make sense, angithi?
Yeah.
Okay. Iboss yami ithi no ngizokukhulumela adlala igame ngomqondo wami. Then I landed the bomb got the part mangiyoshuta athi ngingavezi talent lami lonke ngibanike kancane ngingavezi the big talent that I have. Alright, on the day of the shoot ngi-rocky set but since siqala ukushootha khani si-enjoya ukushootha ubani, where do you come from? Ngathi hayi izinja beziboshiwe sezikhumulile mase zabona uzidla abantu. Yabo, that's my journey, is the truth. Iqiniso iqiniso noma singalifuni iqiniso. Yeah, but that's the honest truth.
Okay, I know that you don't have time, so I want us to, like, how do you think about the industry? Like, is, like, spiritual wise,
in terms of spirituality,
none of which some other deals will come with some things that maybe you won't agree with. Like, okay, the money is good, but there's things that maybe they will ask favors and everything. Did you ever come across such? So maybe someone say, do something that you don't want to do so you get the role.
We are different. We are not the same. Abanye fame by 10. As you know, with this global, other people, they sell their soul to be famous. So, I mean, I grew up famous, unfortunately. We were famous from Sasa. I can't buy fame. And I don't use fame to be famous. I've used my fame to help my family and to help myself.
Wow.
I'm a purpose way to our fan in the industry. So, I mean, my purpose of becoming an actor was to prove a point to other world ukuthi every country inengwenya. Sikhathele sibona boChuck, ngikhathe kubona naboChuck Norris, abo Van Damme, abo Sylvester Stallone. No. I want to be one of them. And then ukuphendula. Yeah, you'll come across the role sometimes you don't like to play. Mara uzayidlala ngoba ufuna imali. Meludle. Melu patale ama bills. Na inyanga yaphela manje siyabhadala sibhadala izindlu. And asebenzi. Bese bayeza bakumanipulate abakwenza izinto ongafuni ukuyenza. But leyo ngathi it depends on your spiritual power. It depends on you as an individual. Are we sharing? Angeke ngikhulumela abanye abantu. Mina ngikhuluma ngami. Mina, I believe in fate. I believe in fate. What God has written for me will be there for me. Engabi nayo bokungaseyami. Ama challenges akhona womona. Hambe nyopicture, bakuyuse, bakusaka ama brains, develop istory. I-role masebayithenda masebayitholile bangasakuniki an enough piece of cake, bakunika a small cake.
So there's betrayal.
Yes. Bakunika i-role encane. I once ngingashaya tools down anti ngathi angisa act mina. Why laba nebanika imali eso mina ninginike imali eso. Ene yimi engifokoze kakhulu. And long yamhlula futhi nangoku-actor umdoko lo mara wayahola imali eningi ukudlula mina. Yini le ayenzayo? Wow, asibuzeni nabantu, dlalani lento, sibizeni nabantu estradini, sibuze ukuthi ubani uNtswembu. Yeah, alright, angisa 8 tools down. Ngiyothengisa amagwinya, ngiyothengisa amabheka namakota, ngiyothengisa amabhiya. Ayisebenzi moslento. Kuyafana musa. You're changing life for the better. You meet the worst. Though you thought you're gonna meet a Samaritan. The industry I ran no a Samaritan. I ran no a Christian. The industry. Industry I ran no a shark. Nama vulture. Nama hyena.
They don't.
It's dog eat dog world. So you gotta be strong. Kumele uzazi indaba zakho ukuthi uyaphi. Akusi industry yabo sisi. Yeah, akufuneki ube so. Mawuzibona uso uzidlula uthi okay ngiye ngazi mina. You know, a born leader knows the challenge before you come across the challenges.
Yeah.
So bengazi ukuthi ngiyaphi mina. So I was ready. I was ready. Though my aim is not to fight against the system. Eyami craft ngiphusha ngendlela yami. I might not be rich.
Yeah.
I might not be as big as maybe as, let me make an example. Who's the biggest in the country? Let's say who's the biggest?
In acting, you can say Vusikonene.
I don't think there's the biggest in the acting. They are the biggest in the music. Abo Casper Nyovest, and Bono Rich Kanjan.
Yeah.
Atsibon, who's next?
Nice to see.
Abo Nasty C. And also the Black Coffee.
Yeah, Black Coffee. Yeah.
Black Coffee. Unfortunately, Tina, Xemzanti lam for it.
But do you have a role model when it comes to acting? Someone who
that I look up to.
Yeah, you look up to.
No, I looked up to Al Pacino, Scarface, Tony Montana. I looked up to Batubanilo, Face Off, Castor Troy, Nicolas Cage.
Nicolas, yes. Yeah.
I looked up to Nicolas Cage. I looked up to Scarface, Tony Montana, Robert De Niro. Yeah, at least as long you are good in what you do.
But here in South Africa, like
in South Africa, honestly speaking, yazi ngumuntu wakudala mina ne. Ngazalwa kudala. Mangicala ukubheka iTV, masabheka iTV sisakhipha amazuka for ukubheka iTV. Besibheke esinye story bathi bathu bani mampudi wa ditebele umtsiye Western Kama, he's the late now sazalwa kudala thina ama age sawayathi sesiyajabulisa.
But like right now there is no
like local.
Yeah.
I look up to myself.
But it is like a competition, someone who says, hey, if I can get
I don't have a competition. There's no competition like I angifuni ukutshela manga. Awuzi mina ngokutshela mina i-competition yami mina it's Europe. Abantu bengikhompyutha nabo mina is the world stars. Mina ngifuna bona abo Denzel Washington, letha yena umlethela. Ngifuna Samuel L. Jackson.
But how do you feel with these American actors who come and do the like Mandela stories? And
we don't have a choice. They come with their dollars. They come with money. And a dollar over a rand is nothing. And it's the system. We can't change it. Into kumele change abo Gaten McKenzie, Minister of Arts and Culture. Into kumele change government ke le. The Department of Arts and Culture, the sector of Arts and Culture must answer that question. Ukuthi isa kanjani lento le Long Walk to Freedom idlalwe abo Aldris Alba
abo can't even speak Xhosa.
Yeah, yibo kumele basitshele ukuthi kanjani maybe bazositshela into sizo understand that abafethina nina anamala asinamali for nina or you are not good actors or angafika kule level ukuthi singani consider ngaleyo ndlela. If I was a minister ke mina ke into bengayichange ke leyo. But first thing understand ukuthi yenzeka under which circumstances, why, and then changing sithole nama royalties. Khona manje ayadlala ama clip wethu abuyizo la kubo TikTok kubo what ama repeat.
Even on Netflix.
As told him next.
But Netflix is like it's there on Netflix.
Netflix, yeah, it's a big channel, 190 countries. Yeah, but I feel asikatholi opportunity the way mara mina ngekuthile kakhulu man. Ngabe maybe ngise States ngabe ngine mansion house 4 story or ngabe ngine-RR ne-private jet manje akusemzansi la mfethu khohlwa la is another story la ungashaya i-Oscar award this week next week sihlangane nawe uhlala emkhukhwini la yeah just set reality la i-award esifokole la uyawina mawuqeda unethwe imvula la ukhomba itaxi or ukhomba i-Uber la unikwe isigebengu i-lift umuntu obuye ukuyoshaya i-heist kube uyokunika i-lift akise le mawathini akuthengele nesuit la.
I mean, we won't finish it. I think we must get some other time to do part
Yeah,
two.
no. The story is very long, my brother. Yeah. We can't talk everything, but I believe I've answered your questions.
Yeah, some of it, but yeah, I have like it will take 4 hours.
Yeah, it will take actually the whole day.
Yeah, because
even a break is something.
Yeah, because another thing like that was bothering me is like our legend that like will die like as actors, not as like producers. And why is that?
It's a personal struggle. Change is personal. Mau actor ufuna ukufela screening, ufuna ukufela setting, it's your choice. You can take a camera and go shoot anything, any content, or you can form your own production. Abafuna ukuzenza lezo, abafuna ukukhula. It's like that ukhuluma iqiniso. That is why bafa banganamali.
Yeah.
Ungasaba ukusho. Bafa bakolekelwa makumela engcwabiwa, mele i-funeral undertaker i-contribute nge-box whatsoever. So they don't work for growth. They work for sustainability, maybe, and for fame, we don't know. I think that's personal, my brother. Leo, we as coolies, akufana ukudlala ibhola. You choose ukuthi wena ufuna ukudlala ibhola forever. Mase sidlulile isikhathi age yakho ube normal person. Mara une choice ukuthi ungaba ne team. Ungaba ne soccer team yakho.
Be a coach.
Or be a coach. Or like an actor, you can be a director, a producer.
Yeah.
Have your own production.
Yeah.
You can use your brand to spread your wings.
True.
Akusho ukuthi phela mabathi uyi-brand bathi sozo actor every day. Maybe we need to teach them ukuthi the term brand, when they say you are a brand, kuthi igama ulenze nge-acting angithi or ngokucula le gama songalithatha manje ulisebenzise kwamanye ama-avenue.
Yes.
Mining, farming, entrepreneurship. Maybe that's the way to go. Into kumele bayenze avoida ukufela esetini or ufela in 21, as we have mentioned.
Because it's sad to see like the old man is wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning and it's winter. It's going on set and there's a young boy who's directing and it's just there's no respect. I've been on set, so I was like, but how did this like? Oh, it was like driving me crazy. I'm like, this guy is old and the director is young. He wakes up. This guy wakes up at 3 o'clock, and when it comes to set, you see the treatment and everything.
Yeah, no, that's bullshit, my brother. Why that's nonsense. Yabona kufana ama audition.
Why you?
Yeah.
It's like they can take you, say, come and audition.
24 years actor, or shine Oscar, you're an Oscar award-winning actor, but you are still considered as a first-time actor. Phela mama zong audition akusho ukuthi you don't know me.
You still
Yiphi performance ofuna ukuyibona, yiphi side le character ofuna ukulibona ongalazi.
So you still get invited for auditions?
Me? I don't go to auditions mina.
Yeah, because that
Mina ngcono iphela awuzi ngiyakutshela.
Yeah.
Angenzeli podcast yakhe ifavor. Ayiphele maybe yaphela le career. Angizalelwa nge-TV la, azange ngazalwa ekliniki umama wami angifake phakathi kwesigubhu se-TV la. Mayindlula indlule. Yeah. Ngeke sofela ifame la. Sofela ukuthi ufuna abantu bahlale bakubona ngahla yasakuboni ngithi hayi ngiretire awusangiboni kanti ufuna ukubona mina yini awubaboni laba abanye waye mobheka iTV ufuna ukubona mina bhekelela nalabo abanye bakhona mosbayent or aba act kahle.
Would you take the gay part if they say play as a gay?
Hayi ngihlale ngayala.
Oh
Yeah, ike yaza ngifuni.
Do you have any
I don't have problem with gays. Igay ayijole namagay wabo. Igay ayemagayini or eyebantwini babo abantu bamagay. So une choice phela. If at all ngifuna ukuyoba iplumber, why ufuna ukungiforce ukuthi ngenze welding? Ngine choice mos angithi. Eyami le career yime ngetime mos. Uzongirepisa ugogo story into bathi rape mangifuna ngifuni. Ngizokutshela le angiyenzi le. Le hamba yenye kumntwana kini le or yenye kubhuti wakho mlandele endlini uzomekthisa lento le wena ebhalile. I have a choice.
Yeah.
I choose the character. Mangayifuna ngifuni. Akuna problem. Angithi baningi bakhona abantu ku queue. Uzamthola umuntu ozoyivuma leyo. Angeke ngikwazi ukucabuza indoda. Cabanga intshebe igcwele ukuso bese le ntshebe yakhe izohlangana nalokuso bami.
Sikhaya.
Uzongihemela la. What if bathi kunesine nudity kuyokumele sikhumule ke manje? Kumele ngokugibele emuva mina. No. Akusase acting le. So is something else le. Wanga ngenza doctor. Wanga ngenza husband nami ngihambe ngeRange Rover estorini ngibe nomfazi. Ngiphume ngekiss bye baby.
Yeah,
see you later.
Yeah. When we come back, I want us to talk about your spiritual life, giving your life to God and stuff.
Yeah. I mean, I'll tell my grandmama was a Christian.
Yeah.
Yang kulela la kusonto khona. My aunt amaweseli my mother ugcokisembatho. So umthandazo ungogo wami wangifundisa leyo nto kuqala. Yeah, gogo siyahlupheka wayesihlupheka next door ba rich. At hayi mfana ungabheke next door. Kucinga amadolo uthandaze. I pray for uNkulunkulu ngicela umsebenzi manje angisebenzi ngiyathandaza. Ayikho enye engiyaziyo ngaphandle kokuthandaza nokuphahla ngishisa impepho. Ngiyemsamo ngichithe nesnafe ngibiza bomageba. Ngibiza abakhatla bakithi. Isinto sakithi leso. Yeah, ngiyaphahla ngiyathandaza mina.
You believe to your ancestors?
Yes, I believe in my ancestors. Yeah, I believe in my ancestors. Angithi angibona nami ngiyaphila manje.
Yeah.
Ngiyabasebenzela ngiyabayenzela. Angithi bese ngiyashona. Bese bayangilahla emathuneni. Ngizoba happy la ngizobe ngilele khona. Ngibashiyela imoto, ngibashiyela izindlu la, ngibashiyela imali. Bese bayangilahla or bangcwaba ngebox.
Okay.
So I believe in ancestors. Uyazi acting ngithola kanjani?
Yeah.
I had a dream. Ngaphupha umkhulu ogcoke ibhruke elimnyama nembe lemhlophe. Ephupheni lami ngishiwe ibhasi lempilo. Manje ngiyakhala lapha ngithi ibhasi lokuphila lingishiyile. Avela lo mkhulu athi hayi khona elinye elizayo kumele ulimele. Ungayi kuyochama ungayenzi next ulimele lize lifike le bhasi. Lafika le bhasi. Awala amabhasi la ngathi aseZimbabwe lawa amabi la. La lokulayisha ama suitcase yabona ukuthi wele umakhongo kuphi. Ila amabhasi anjalo. Mangena kule bhasi ngathola kunama producer nama director kunama superstars kunabelungu kunabuthembisiyete banginike AK47 bathi na AK47 before sekufaka la sifuna ushaye robbery kule supermarket la eCresta. But that supermarket it's a film in a dream. Manje zongitshela ukuthi abomkhulu nabo goga bekho. Nabo la baseBhayibhelini ama ancestors musibonke. Abo Mark nabo John nabo Joshua nabo Jesus Christ ama ancestors bonke. Akunamuntu ophilayo seBhayibhelini mos. So I believe in ancestors. Umkhulu wami uyonginike le talent athi nani mfana mathi yabona le bhasi waligova umnandi nengaligova le bhasi mangena umunye umama umlungu angibamba kanje ngezandla sakhe so but hayi sesiyakamukele ekhaya mangithi ama superstar kuphela hleli la Nama was one of them in a dream.
And I know I've been saying I'm closing, but I just want this story. I really wanted, like, before you lost your leg.
Yeah.
Because, like, I'll go to the acting part. You were acting and you have your both legs, and it was easy.
Yeah.
So when you lost your leg, how did that affect it?
It affected me heavy, psychologically, emotionally, and physically. That's when I've asked God questions. But if you are here, God, and I believe in you, and I grew up in church, you know me, I'm saving your people. Whatever I do, ngidomisa wena. Manje uvuma kanjani ukuthi ngibe so mina? What are you saying to me? Christianism, you know the way sithanda uNkulunkulu ngakhona. uNkulunkulu simthanda noma ngangidubula manje nginebullet ngithi uNkulunkulu ngisakudumisa kunjalo ngiloke ngidutshuliwe. So God is like that. So we believe in him even though sibona ukuthi siyakhawatheka. Okay, ukukhawatheka mfethu. Akekho bengingekho ready, bengingayimelanga le nto le. Azange ngayicabanga le ukuthi izayenzeka kimi. But mayenzeka, I had to accept it. Alright, ngakhopha ngachuka. And ngathi ngiyiprophesizile nayo ngoba mabanginika le job yaseGomora. Kahle kahle bengingafuni ukuyenza. Yona le Gomora enithandayo bengingafuni ukuyoyenza. Ngatshela abangani bami nginabo ngathi yabona sengiyabona la bayongifonela bayongibiza na ngifuni ukuyenza lento le. But sometimes abanye abantu uyabakhuphula. Abokuhlwana abokama intern asebomb shelter nabo Thabangmuleya.
Yeah.
Aba owner iGomora. And yabona kunama bafake nama amicha amaningi lapha bothidi abantwana abagulayo. So mele siyobakhulisa thi.
Yeah.
Makayo actor nami it's an honor.
True.
So ngifike ngabanika duration ye 6 months. Ngathi ngizo actor nani for 6 months. After 6 months angisafuni ukuactor. Retire kahle.
Wow.
Yeah, mina personally. How my figure the 6 months ngaba critical. Le 6 months engizibekele yona ngaba critical bese babangipusha ngewheelchair ngithi umuntu uyahamba ke manje emhlabeni ke manje. So kwenzakalani manje? But where uzothini?
So what was the problem like? Umlenze or mhlawumbe
I was in Cape Town, and then sishuta Four Corners. So during my holiday ngise beach angishuthi ngiyazokhela elwandle kamnandi ngabona umono wami omncane uJayiva wenza so. Ukhuluma nami mara akusiyimi ngikhulumisayo ngithi na umhlola. Now umono uyaJayiva la uyanyakaza. And then after that ngawuzwa an electric shock both my legs. Ngawuzwa ngathi kune electric endlulayo la.
Yeah.
So ngathi sekuzoba nenkinga ke manje. And then from lapho ke ngumuntu ozwashela imoto kaningi ne. Mangipholisha ivili. Sokuba nzima ukusukuma. Mase ngisukuma ngathi inyawo lami lenza umhlolo man. Nini inyawo lami sele inyawo zami seziba nami. Ngathi igazi alisahambi nini kuyaluma. Kuluma ngigcoke so bese mele ngilikhiphe leteki kumele nginwaye la.
Yeah.
Nini imino yenza so kwenzakala emehlolo la ngithi yini le manje. All right, lo muntu mawucala lo ngiconsultile, I went to the doctor. abo doctor balibeke esikaleni bathi babone next labo doctor base South Africa akunabo doctor la nyangeni nakhona bakhuluma ngendaba zokuthwasa hayi ngithi asizamini asithwaseni sibone sithwaseke kungathwaseki lingaveli idlozi ngithi asazi ke kwenzakalani ke manje and then la bese ngiaffecteke kakhulu ke
yini kuneyilonda
kube into ezibrown lana funny yabona lelikhathiwe inyawo akusihile eligule kakhulu nani inyawo eligulayo mara kukhathwe leli ngoba yile lisale lawa damage leli lasha laba njengaleteki so and then isibhedlela engiyokuso eMpumalanga Rob Ferrari Hospital umngane wami ungise lapho thi ngibanike bathi banikana ama props thumbs up when the doctor lapha yathi yazi ngabe uqale la lento ihaqale ngomuno iqale kanjani athi ngawuze la bese ukhatha lo muno usivale lento manje uyiyekile lento le kunento ehambayo la and intention bokumele ihambe inyawo lonke ezifike la so bese zithi heaven do so mara well wakhathwa ke mina bengizothi bazongikhatha la ngoba beyisey la udoctor wathi if indlulile sizokukhatha la and it's not easy ukuvuma ukukhatha ngale 3 times ngisayine 3 times ngayijika mara lokuyis 4 ngakhatha secretly nakithi bangazi ngoba kithi bebangavumi phela abantu baloku bakhonsola bathi kuyalunga awuzalunga ulunga kuphi uhamba la then ngakhatha ke then the psychological effect of this thing I feel my leg even now I have a leg maraliko the veins don't die angithi mabakhatha so lama veins ayabaleka so imizwa isasekhona I feel my leg mangilele ngiphupha ngishaya amathambla bangabe emoyeni njengo Superman ngishaya isbackpack so ngijamba izindlu ngidlala ibhola ngithi ngikhole ngidlala ibhola maybe liyasebenza lenyawo lami somewhere khona odlala isibhola ngoba phupha ngentwembu dlala ibhola nengam la ngithi bana ngikuphi manje la yimi lo ene ephupheni ngingaphupha bathi inyawo lakho ngingaphupha limilile
unalo straight
ngumuntu ophuphayo in my spiritual world so ngiphuphe inyawo lami limilile li-celebrate like us but libuyile ngilifila ngithi ene hilo esana manje mawuvuka ekuseni back to reality
disappointed
ngithi hayi man the dream was so real man lephi kanti inyawo lami angithi manje lenzeke ngingalindelanga ngiyacabanga that's a psychological effect yalo ngiliphupha limilile trust me ngiliphupha ngihamba ngeenyawo ngikhule ngihamba ngeenyawo mina yawanje ngawuthi ukuhamba ngeenyawo ngikhule ngihamba ngeenyawo ngoba icathulo bezingishisa nenyawo elikhulu so bebangithengele inyawo amateka amancane most of the time so bengiprefer ukuhamba ngeenyawo so mangiphupha ngihamba ngeenyawo ngize ngenze so phansi ngithi hilo leli ayisani mangivuka ngithi
but manje masufa kunyawo ama road acting abantu
akhona ngithile ngithi bengiyetha kunikiwe bangilande ngiloko ngenjalo ngithi bafethu mina ngilimele ngithi ngiyabathi ayikho yonke lento so kuhambisa nge-wheelchair ama-wheelchair act lapha angithi manje i-acting ama-expression I think my presence is more important than
Walking.
my physique.
Yeah.
Yabona what's good about acting ileyo. If you wake up blind bazobhala ukuthi last born umuntu ngeke nga actor futhi blind. Mara ngisho ukuthi ngifuna ukuba blind. Yeah, but it's a good career that I've chosen. Yeah, accommodate among disability.
Yeah.
And ngakhohlwa ukuthi I'm good in what I do.
You very good.
Yeah, so if I was not good, yeah, besizokhuluma esinye story. So there are people who die for me. Khona ubhalayo manje ongibhala ku wheelchair ukuthi le yodlala uIsrael le straight. And manje ke ngiba more
awusukhle because ngiyakubona lapha ayikunekiwe
ngiba more kakhulu ngoba ipower manje yami acting seba more internal than external. Yabona umuntu ongaboni ngihlangana nabantu abane disability abablind abayini observe ukuthi baba nepower ukundlula ababonayo. Umuntu ongaboni ubheke abantu abaculayo kakhulu ababoni ne angithi akaboni.
Yeah.
So le power ayiluzile for ukuthi angaboni ngathi ingena kule mizwa yakhe ubona ngokusensa manje. So that makes him too powerful. Mangenza izinto manje ngifuna ukuzachiva manje ayikusasa ngoba ngibonile ukuthi akuna guarantee anything can happen. So while I'm still alive, let me use this time. I'm not comfortable. I'm uncomfortable every day. So the more I'm uncomfortable is the more I want to do things. Angirelaxanga. Ngihlula umuntu onenyawo ezithu. Noma ngaba nezi4 ezi6 ngimfuna nazo lezo inyawo lezo. Ngizitholela ama answer personally kimi ukuthi why God took my leg, because I can even if I don't have. Why you have 2 legs when you feed, you live for 100 years, uhamba ngeenyawo ungana nemoto for 100 years. That's why unenyawo ezithu. Uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini? That's why usuper fit, because uNkulunkulu uyokwenza ukuthi uhambe ngeenyawo forever. A billionaire invented TikTok. It's half human. A billionaire. Mhlawumbe itsotsi ihamba njenge-reptiles. Ihamba phansi. Mara huye igenius esimfuna esikimini ukuze siyothola imali senze izinto zenzeke. Khona abangikhalelayo abawisha ukuthi yazi ngabe yimi engicamukile. The way ngenza izinto ngakhona. So I'm trying to motivate ukuthi if you can come across circumstances like this, don't ask why. Or if you'll ask why, you'll find the answer why. Why? Because you can. You can even if you don't have. Khona umuntu abangamthathela inyawo kuphele ngaye. Umbuka ngisababona emarobotini. Angiholi disability grant mina. Angiholi imndende mina. Angicela imali erobotini. Ngiyi-provider ngibona ngilo ngiso.
True.
So uthathele mina ngoba bekazi ukuthi le isoja izoshoshofa kuloko njalo. But ngumuntu, I'm human, ngafekthekile.
Yeah.
Izinto akusafani, angisakwazi ukujiva leyo bengifuna ngijiva ngakhona, angisakwazi mangokho estrandini into namazidlala idiski ngibashayela istyle into engizithandayo into ezisimple phela into ozithandayo elifini sometimes akusile izinto lezi abantu abazibhekile ngithanda ukufundisa abantwana bami iboots kujive so this is how you express when you dance swimming angikwazi ukuswima ngale nyawo leli so kumele ngitrain manje ukuthi ngizoswima kanjani because I love water I'm a runner angisajoki manje I used to wake up and jog I understand angisazenzi lezo zinto lezo kumele ngihlale phansi and athola ukuthi abantu engihamba nabo bakwazi ukujive abajive
but
bayahlala steli bokujive mina ngithi yazi mara sometimes uNkulunkulu uhlakaniphile ubonile ngijive kakhulu atalo salikhatha lenyanga ngasajive ngithi yabona nikwazi ukujive why ningajive manje ngoba benijivisa mina
ne sesiyavala bonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho I think some other time we'll meet again but if you can have a moment with God nje nangu uNkulunkulu yini into ongathanda ukumbuza yona
ngambuza ukuthi why abantu abakhonzayo abomama bethu nabo auntie bethu nabo gogo bethu bahlupheka and then abakhonza uSatan why ba rich ngambuza leyo question ukuthi why abantwana abakaNkulunkulu they go through difficulties and then abakaSathani ngathi yibo abamnandi abahamba ngama C63 abahlala emasabapini emaremseg emawaterfall why laba abaguqa ngedolo every day abaye emasontweni bathi uNkulunkulu khona impilo yabo inzima why is like that what motivates the next generation to believe in him if those who believe in him suffer the most.